What's up guys, so today we are gonna recreate the Declan Rice's free kick. So this is part 2 video of recreating Declan Rice's free kick. So let's get to the challenge. So guys, we are not gonna have two things today. One is the free kick wall, so yeah, and the other thing is that there's no keeper today. Yeah, actually my dad's not here today, so yeah, he's a bit busy. So we are gonna recreate the Declan Rice's free kick without a goalkeeper. So let's do this. My first shot was so bad, as you can see, but the second shot was much better than the first one. Just kidding, bro. After many more shots, at the 7th shot, I did this. Ooh. Guys, after some more shots, at my 13th shot, I did this. It just went wide, but it was close even though. And guys, guess what? It again hit the post. But guys, we need to recreate it. That's why we are here. Yeah, let's try it again. Never give up though. Guys, this happened in my 22nd shot. Guys, how the hell did I miss that? Oh my god. Yeah! Yes! Yes! So guys, I finally recreated the Declan Rice's free kick against Real Madrid. Wow, what a goal. So I'm gonna wind up this video for today. So make sure to like, share and subscribe. So see you next video. Bye.